Okay, so what if I told you that native English speakers are basically lazy?
Wait, what? Lazy? Like couch potato lazy?
No, I mean, well, yeah, kind of, but linguistically lazy. Welcome back, guys.
Oh, gotcha. Hey, everyone. So, Liza, what do you mean by linguistically lazy?
Okay, so you know how when you watch a movie or listen to a podcast and it just sounds like one long, unbroken noise?
Yes, dude, it's just blah, 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 like a machine gun.
Exactly, a machine gun of syllables. And that is like the number one problem for anyone trying to learn English.
Right, because in school they teach you like, hello, how are you today?
Right, it's so robotic. But then you go to New York or London and someone says, "How you doing?"
Yeah, or sup?
Exactly. And you're just standing there like, wait, is that even English?
I'd be like, I'm sorry, my textbook didn't prepare me for this.
Your textbook lied to you, Max.
It literally did. So wait, why do native speakers do that? Just to mess with people?
Honestly, it feels like it sometimes, right? But no, it's actually called connected speech.
Connected speech. Okay, sounds fancy.
It sounds fancy, but it's really just mouth physics. Like your mouth wants to take the absolute shortest route from point A to point B.
Oh, like a shortcut on your commute to work.
Yes, exactly. It's like, okay, imagine you're a delivery driver.
Okay, I'm driving my little truck.
Right, and you have to drop off 3 packages on the exact same street.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to drive all the way back to the warehouse between each house?
No, that's insane. I'd lose my job.
Right, you just drive straight down the street, dropping them off one by one without stopping.
Makes sense.
Well, words are the packages, your tongue is the truck. It just rolls right through them.
Wait, that is actually a really good analogy. Words are packages, tongue is the truck.
Thanks. So instead of saying, "What are you going to do?" which is like driving back to the warehouse.
Right, all those extra stops.
Yeah, we just smooth it all out. We say, "What you gonna do?"
What you gonna do? Okay, but wait, what are you turns into whatcha?
Yep. The T and the Y smush together and make a ch sound. Whatcha?
Smush. Is that a technical term, Liza?
Highly scientific. But seriously, the real term is assimilation.
Assimilation. Okay, like the Borg in Star Trek?
Sure. If you want to nerd out about it.
I literally always do. But okay, so what are you becomes whatcha. That's crazy.
It is. And this happens everywhere. Let's do another one. Guess this one.
Okay, hit me.
Ama.
Emma? Like the name Emma?
No. Ama. IMMA. Like, I'ma go to the store.
Oh, I know this. I am going to.
Boom. Nailed it.
Wow, okay, I am going to is 4 words, and it becomes one weird grunt.
Basically, Ama. It's just so efficient.
But how is a learner supposed to, know that? It's not in the dictionary.
That's the big problem. You have to train your ear, not your eyes. Reading won't help your ear.
Really? Reading is useless?
Well, not useless for grammar or vocab, but for listening? Yeah, pretty much.
Geez, that's harsh.
It is. But think about it. When you read, you see physical spaces between the words.
Right. Blank space.
In spoken English, there are no spaces. 0.
Wait, let me think about that. We don't pause between words?
Nope. We only pause for breath or for, dramatic effect.
Oh, wow. I never realized that. I literally just talked for 5 seconds and didn't stop once.
Exactly. It's one continuous sound wave.
Mind blown. Okay, so if the textbook is useless for listening, how do we actually fix this?
Okay, so the first thing, the secret sauce here is something called connected speech.
Connected speech? Like talking on the phone?
No, not like that. Connected speech is how native speakers just mash words together.
Mash them together.
Right. Like we don't say word by word. We blend them into chunks.
Wait, give me an example, Liza, because I feel like I speak pretty clearly.
Okay, Max, listen to this. How would you read this? Do you want to go?
Just like that. Do you want to go?
Exactly. But in real life, walking down the street, I'm not saying that. I'm saying, do you want to go? Or even faster, do you want to go?
Joanna. Wait, Joanna isn't even a word.
I know, but that's what you hear, right?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, do you want to go to the store? That sounds like one giant messy word.
It's literally like making a smoothie.
A smoothie? Okay. I'm listening.
Yeah, think about it. You take a strawberry, a banana, some milk. Those are your perfect textbook words.
Right, individual pieces.
Exactly. But when you talk, you press the blender button.
Good sound effect.
Thanks, I try. But yeah, you blend it. And what comes out isn't a strawberry and a banana anymore.
It's just pink liquid.
Exactly. Spoken English is the pink liquid.
Whoa, that actually makes perfect sense. So learners are looking for the whole strawberry.
Yes, they're listening for want and to, but all they get is wanna or Joanna.
So they get frustrated because they think they don't know the vocabulary.
Right, but they do know it. They just don't know the blended version.
Okay, so how many of these smoothie words are there?
Oh, tons. Let's do another one. What happens to going to?
Gonna?
Boom. Yes, I'm gonna do it. What about got to?
Gotta. Like, I gotta go.
Right, but it gets weirder, Max. What about what are you doing?
Oh, let me guess what you're doing.
Exactly. What you doing? Where did the R go?
It just vanished. It completely disappeared.
Literally vanished. We just ate it. We were hungry.
That is so unfair to people learning English.
I know, it really is. We are so lazy when we speak.
Okay, so it's not just blending, it's deleting stuff too.
Yes, deleting. We drop sounds all the time.
Give me a dropped sound example.
Okay, think about the word internet.
Internet.
Right, that's the nice, polite way. But how do most Americans actually say it?
Internet? Wait, yeah, internet. We don't see the T at all.
We totally dropped the first T. Internet.
Wow, international.
Yes, international. Or what about the word water?
Water. We say water, like with a D.
Yes, that's called a flap T. We change the T to a fast D sound. Water, butter, better.
Wait, let me try one. I bought a little bottle of water.
Ooh, good one. Say it fast.
I bought a little bottle of water.
Yes, look at all those D sounds.
That is insane. If you learn little bottle water with strong T's, you will never, ever understand an American saying that sentence fast.
Exactly, Max, and this is the core problem. People study the textbook sounds.
The strawberries and bananas.
The strawberries and bananas. See, you're getting it.
But Liza, if the rules are this crazy, how do we practice this? Like, I can't just memorize every single smoothie word.
No, you definitely can't. That would take forever.
So what's the actual, daily practice for this?
Okay, so to answer your question, you don't memorize them. You have to do this thing called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like following someone around in a dark alley?
No, please don't start creeping on people.
Oh, thank God, because I was literally like, that sounds illegal, Lisa.
Yeah, highly illegal. No, shadowing it's basically mimicking, like a parrot.
Okay, so I just repeat what I hear?
Kind of, but not exactly. You're not just repeating the words. You are copying the music.
The music? Wait, I don't get it.
Right. So every language has a rhythm, right? Like a melody.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure.
When you listen to a native speaker, don't focus on the individual words. Listen to how the whole sentence flows.
Oh, like the ups and downs.
Exactly. The stress, the pauses. It's like, think about lip syncing to your favorite song in the mirror.
Oh man, I do that way too much with a hairbrush.
Right? And when you do that, you don't think about the grammar of the lyrics, right?
No, I just try to sound exactly like Beyonce, or, try to.
Exactly. You're copying the attitude, the speed, the blending. That is what you need to do with English.
Wait, so I should just lip sync to native speakers?
Literally, yes. Grab a YouTube video or a podcast, like this one.
Okay, I'm with you.
And just play 5 seconds of it. And try to say it exactly how they say it.
Even the weird sounds, like the little bottle?
Especially the weird sounds. Do not correct it in your head to make it sound perfect.
Oh, wow, because my brain wants to fix it, right? My brain wants to say little bottle.
Yes, you have to fight your brain. Your brain is your enemy here.
My brain is a terrible textbook.
It really is. So here's a quick exercise for the listeners.
Oh, nice. Homework.
Fun homework, I promise. Next time you're watching a movie,
Or Netflix, yeah.
Yeah, Netflix. Pick one character, just one.
Okay, just one.
And for 2 minutes, just 2 minutes, try to repeat their lines exactly the way they say them.
Just immediately after they speak?
Or even at the same time. Pause the video if you need to, but copy the emotion.
Oh, the emotion. That makes sense. Because if they're angry, the words blend differently, right?
Oh, 100%. An angry person speaks way faster. They mash words together violently.
Like the grumpy waiter.
Yes, the grumpy waiter from earlier. What you want?
What you want. That is so good. It really is like a smoothie.
It's all a giant word smoothie.
So wait, Liza, if I do this shadowing thing, how long until I actually understand fast English?
Honestly, you will notice a huge difference in like a week.
Really? Just a week?
Yeah, because you're training your ear by training your mouth. They're connected.
Oh, now I get it. Because if I can produce the messy sound, my brain can finally recognize it when I hear it.
Boom. Nailed it, Max.
That is mind-blowing. Honestly, I've been doing this all wrong for years.
Most people do. They just listen, but they don't actually try to make the messy sounds themselves.
So you gotta make a mess to understand the mess.
Beautifully said. You should put that on a t-shirt.
I will. Make a mess to understand the mess. Buy my merch, guys.
So, for everyone listening, that's your challenge. Go find a video, pick a character, and be a parrot.
A Beyoncé parrot.
Exactly, a Beyoncé parrot.
I love it. Well, Liza, this was incredibly helpful. I am never looking at a bottle of water the same way again.
I hope not. And hey, if you guys listening found this helpful,
Yes, please hit that subscribe button.
and leave us a review. Tell us what your favorite word smoothie is.
See you next time. Keep blending those words.